Morning everyone. Today we are going to be discussing about our accounting means commerce subject. We had two parts. One is of commerce, one is of accounts part here. Accounts is related to problematic topic and commerce is related to your theory topic here. So 50 marks will be consisting of a accounting part, 50 marks will be consisting of a theory part of commerce here. So both together we are calling the subject called it as a commerce here. So in commerce, we had two parts. One is of accounting part, another one is a commerce theory part here. So the theory part is called it as an commerce. The accounting part means problematic part is called it as an accounting. So let us know what is actually the accounting here. Today, let us know what is actually the accounting here. So the introduction of accounting. So some parts. So for the especially for this because of the corona. So here 30% of the syllabus has been eliminated from the subject here. So your textbook will consist the whole 100% syllabus, but here 30% syllabus has been eliminated. So the eliminated topics we are not reading. So here the topics which is 70% of the syllabus only we are going to be learning for this year purpose here. So here the first let us know what is actually the accounting here. Accounting introduction. So let us know introduction of an accounting here. Let us know what is actually the introduction of an accounting. So it is a new subject, but if you people are going to be learning, it is very easy to learn here. Very easy to learn, and the storage of marks will be also very easy in this particular subject here. But you have to make concentration on this particular subject. So let us know what is actually the accounting here. So generally, accounting is a science. Accounting is a science and is often called as a language of business here. It is also called it as an what here? It is a language of business. It is one of accounting is one of the language of business here. So what we are calling accounting is one of the science subject. Accounting is one of the science subject. Accounting is also called it as a language of business. It is one of the language of business. Business language we are calling it as an accounting here. So where business is a continuous business is nothing but what here? It is a continuous human activity. Business is nothing but what here? It is a one of the continuous human activity already we have been discussed. So economic activity, non-economic activity, you people have an idea in the economic subject. In your economic subject also you have been learned what is actually an economic activity, what is actually a non-economic activity. Economic activity in the sense what we have discussed. So here that the money earning concept is treated in the form of an economic activity. So the earning of money, that earned money can be used to purchase the goods and services to satisfy that any human being wants here. So here also what will be arising here? So business is one of the continuous human economic activity. Business is a nothing but a it is a continuous human being in the sense we ourselves. Economic activity aiming at making profits. What is the main aim of to earning of this particular? They are going to be participating in the economic activity to earn the profit. To earn the money itself or not here. So that is nothing but what we are calling to earn the to aiming making profits. Their main aim is to what here? Making the profits by producing or purchasing and selling of the goods and services. Producing either manufacturing of the goods and services or that the manufactured goods can be buy and sold of the particular goods and services or providing the services for the price here. Goods or the services for the paying of price is called it as a business here. So business means what we are calling here? Business is nothing but it is one of the human economic activity. Business is nothing but the human economic activity. So economic activity in the sense what here? The money earning process is called it as an economic activity. So here that the human activity. Business is nothing but the human activity. Human economic activity at making profit by producing the goods and services goods and services or buying and selling of the goods and services providing services at the price here. Providing the goods and services at the price is called it as a business activity. So business consists of, actually the business will be consisting of what here? Business is going to be consisting of the series of transactions. Means n number of transactions are going to be involved in the business process here. N number of means what here? Unlimited number of transactions. Unlimited number of transactions is going to be involved under the business here. So here that is nothing but a transaction can be described. What is actually the transaction we are calling transaction? So a business is going to be involving of a number of transactions we are saying. So what is actually the transaction? What is actually the transaction? Transactions means what here? So a transaction may be described as a transaction may be described as an event that occurs relating to business, and it bring about the change in the financial position of the business. Change in the financial position of the business is called it as a what here? Transaction. Transaction means what here? Transaction. A transaction is a, so what is actually the transaction here? A transaction may be defined as, described as an event. A transaction may be described as an, a transaction may be described as an event that occurs, a transaction may be the event. A transaction may be described as an event. It is any one of the event that occurs. Means occurring in the sense what here? Which is going to be arising, relating to business, relating to business, relating to the business, and it brings about, and it brings about changes in the financial position, changes in the financial position, changes in the financial position of the business, financial position of the business. So let us know what is actually the transaction here. So a transaction may be described as, transaction means what here? A transaction can be described as an event. It is one of the event, means it is one of the situation. Event in the sense what here? It is one of the situation that occurs in the sense what here? Which is going to be arising, relating to the business. It is related to that part of a business, and it brings about the changes, and the transaction is going to be bringing about the changes in the financial position. Financial position in the sense what here? That the monetary values, financial position of the business, the monetary value changes. Either the business has been arised the profit due to that particular transaction, or the loss which has been arised due to that particular transaction we are going to be knowing here. So that is called it as a what here? Transaction. Transaction in the sense what here? A transaction may be described as an event. A transaction is described as an event that occurs, means that is going to be arising, or such a situation is going to be arising relating to business. That is transaction, that monetary value is related to that particular business, any business that may be of any type of a business, and it brings about it is going to be brings about the changes in the financial position of the business, which is going to bring in the financial changes Changes means what here? Either the income value may be increasing or it may be decreasing in the financial position, monetary value of the business is called it as an what here? Transaction, which means what here? It is a transaction. I think so. You people have understood what is actually the business. Business is nothing but what here? It is one of the human economic activity. Business is nothing but the human economic activity by making the profits. It making the profits by producing the goods and producing or buying and selling of the goods and services. Producing or buying and selling of the goods and services for the price is known as what here? Business here. So now let us know what is actually the business here. Businesses. So what is actually the business now here? Business means nothing but what here? It is a human economic activity. Business is a continuous human economic activity. Business is a continuous human economic activity. Human economic activity. Business is a continuous human economic activity aiming at making profits by making profits in the sense gains, లాభాలు రావడము, అవునా? making. So here profits by producing or buying and selling, by producing or buying and selling, producing or buying and selling goods or providing services for services. Goods are producing in the sense what here? Manufacturing, or buying and selling, purchasing or sales of the goods and purchasing of goods or providing services for price, or providing services for price. Providing services for price is known as what here? Business. So business in the sense what here? Business is a continuous human activity. So there is continuation. Continuation means one after the other thing is going to be taking on place here. So here business is a continuous human economic activity. Economic activity in the sense what here? The money earning process here. The money earning process aiming at making the profits. Why they are going to be earning of this particular? So why they are going to be involving of the what here? Why they are going to be involving of the earning of money here? To making the profits, to want to gain more and more income by producing in the sense manufacturing of the goods, or by manufacturing process, or they may be the manufactured goods can be buy, they can purchase and they can also sell. They can also sell the goods, and providing services for providing services for price here. Any service like a doctor, teacher, lawyer, as a chartered accountant. So the different number of services are there, no? So here those are rendering of the services. It's called as in what here? This all will be called in the form child business only. This all will be called it as in what here? Business only. I think so. Now you people have understood what is actually the transaction, what is actually the definition of business here, what is actually the transaction, what is actually the business here. So here mainly these business transactions are to be identified, the business. So we are calling it as a business. So this business transaction, the transactions which are going to be arising in the form business is called it as in what here? Business transactions here. So these business transactions are going to be identified. These business transactions are going to be identified measured. Identified means which number, how many number of transactions has been arised per a day or per a specified period of time, like that here. So measured, we are means how much monetary value. The business transactions can be measured in the form of a monetary value. అంటే ఎంత మేరకు కొనుగోలు జరిగింది, అమ్మకం జరిగింది అనేది. పర్చేస్, బయింగ్ అండ్ సెల్లింగ్. బయింగ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ హియర్ purchase, selling means what here sold. So here that the measure classified. Classified in the sense what here, which category, either it may be the purchases or in the form of a sales, like that here. So they are going to be classified. After that what they will be, so these transactions related to the receipts, these transactions is related to payments, like that they are going to be paid. They are going to be recording all those particular transactions, cash transactions or the credit transactions. Based on that they are going to be recording the transactions wherever it is going to be necessary here. So then afterwards what they will be doing, they are going to be summarizing all the information. After summarizing what they will be doing, they are going to be analyzing. They are going to be analyzing. After what? Interpreting of the information and communicated. Afterwards what they will be doing, they are going to be doing the communication to interested parties. They are going to be communicated with the interested parties, that the businessmen and also the customers. They are going to be communicated, that the managers, everybody, those who are going to be involved in that particular process, they are going to be communicated and with the interested parties, so as to serve the basis of decision making here. They are going to be serving the basis of decision making purpose. So based on that particular information, they are going to be taking one of the decision by the business management here. So thereafter to enter the process follows the sequence here that are being presented in the subject here. So now what we are doing, after we have been known what is actually the transaction, what is actually the business here. So after knowing of all these particular transactions, first what they will be doing here, identifying which sort of a transactions which has been arised, then how much monetary value of the transactions has been arised. Then they are going to be classifying according to credit transactions or the cash transactions, receipts, payments. So based on that they are going to be classifying here. Afterwards, after classified, they are going to be recording wherever necessary. They are going to be recording in the sequential manner here. So then afterwards they are going to be summarizing all these particular transactions. So then afterwards they are going to be analyzing. Based on all the transactions, they are going to be making the analysis here. So then interpretation, and they are going to be communicated with the interested parties. Then they are going to be taking the one of the decision for the business here. One of the decision for the business here. So the next one is actually the bookkeeping here. So for the present study purpose, we don't need the bookkeeping here. Bookkeeping topic has been eliminated for the present study. So now let us know what is actually the accounting here. So let us know what is actually the accounting. So now you people have understood what is actually the transaction, what is actually the business. So now let us know what is actually the accounting here. So what is actually the accounting here? So accounting is considered as a system. Accounting is considered as a system which collects and which is going to be collecting and processes which collects and processes the financial information of a business here, which collecting and processes the financial information of the business here. So accounting is considered as a system. Accounting is considered as a system. Accounting is the term. Accounting is a new term, but easily you have to understand. So accounting is considered as a system. It is one of the system which collects and processes, which collects and processes, which is going to be collecting the information, and the collected information is going to be process the financial information, processes the financial information Information of the business is called it as a what here? Accounting. Accounting is nothing but what here? Accounting is considered as a system. It is one of the system. It is one of the system where here which is going to be collecting the information, and the collector information is going to be process the financial information, means money related transactions is going to be collected and which are going to be processed for the business here. Business monetary values can be collected and it is going to be processed. Is called it as a nothing but what here? Accounting here. So the information in reported. The information is reported to the users. The information is going to be reported to the users and enable them to make appropriate decisions. And what it will be doing, this processed information of the business can be reported to the users. This information is reported to the users. This information is reported to the users. This information is going to be reported to the users to enable them to make enable them to take appropriate decisions. Make appropriate decisions. Appropriate decisions is called it as a what here? Accounting here. Accounting in the sense what here? So accounting is considered as a system. It is one of the system. We are considering it as one of the system which collects and processes. Accounting is going to be collecting the information and the collected information is going to be processed. The financial information related to what here? The monetary value. Money value information is going to be considered of the business. This information is reported again after processing of that information. That information is going to be reported to the users, those who are going to be in need of that particular information. For them, the users enable them to make the appropriate decisions. అంటే ఏం చేస్తుంది అక్కడ మనకి అకౌంటింగ్ అనేది ఒక సిస్టమ్ అన్నమాట. అకౌంటింగ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది మనకి? It will be treated in the form of one of the system which is going to be collecting the monetary value of all the transactions information. The monetary value of the information can be collecting and it is going to be processed. After that, what will be? That information is provided. That information related to that information is going to be repeated to the enable them the users to take the proper decision making. Take the proper decision making purpose it will be provided here. So that is nothing but what here? Accounting here. That is nothing but what here? Accounting. So here, according to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, American Institute of, so that is the one of the definition has been given. So that the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, AICPA. Full form of AICPA is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. So AICPA, what does it mean by actually that? AICPA, full form AICPA. AICPA means what here? American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. So what they have been defined as a accounting here. So here they have defined the accounting as the art of recording. It is of the art of accounting is the art of recording. Accounting is a art of recording. Accounting is a art of recording, classifying and summarizing, classifying and summarizing recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner, in a significant accounting is a art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money transactions, in terms of money transactions, in terms of money transactions and events which in part and events which in part in events which in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof, at least of financial, at least of financial character and character, at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof, interpreting the result thereof, interpreting the result thereof is called it as a what here, that the accounting. So according to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, American Institute of, so according to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, they have defined that accounting is a art of recording. It is one of the arts. So everybody is going to be having their own way of recording. So here also there is a one of the way of systematic recording of transactions. So that is the art of recording, systematic recording of transactions will be there. So for that there are the rules and regulations are there. According to that rules and principles, we have to prepare the accounting here. So that's what we are calling art of recording. Classifying. Classifying means what here? So the transactions related to what purpose? Means the credit sales, credit purpose, cash purpose. So that based on that we are going to be classifying. So in which particular, either it may be the receipt or the payments, like that they are going to be classified and summarizing. So wherever necessary, they are going to be the overall transactions, they are going to be summarized in a significant manner, means in a proper manner, which is a part of at least of financial character. Those all will be in the form of and what here, financial, monetary value of the transactions and interpreting the result thereof here. Based on that, they are going to be interpreting in the sense what here, they are going to be providing the result of the financial position, either in the form of profitability manner it will be running or the loss it is going to be arising will be specified under this particular thing here. So that is the definition has been given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants for the accounts here. So what is the accounting? So that is defined by the accounting by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants here. So the American Accounting Association. The next one, the American. So I'm writing here. The other definition has been given for the American Accounting Association. AAA. American Accounting Association. Accounting Association. AAA. American Accounting Association has been defined that accounting is defined the accounting as the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information. Economic in the sense what here? Economic activity means the money earning process. Economic information to permit informed judgments to permit the informed judgment and decision by users of the information and decision by the users of the information and decisions by the users of the information. So what they have been defined here? So the American Accounting Associations has been defined the accounting as the So they have been defined the accounting as the process of identifying and measuring. The process of identifying and measuring. The process of identifying and measuring and communicating and communicating and communicating economic information. Economic information as permit informed judgment and permit informed judgment permit informed judgments and decision by users of the and decisions by users of the information decisions by the users of the information is called it as nothing but what here? Accounting. So here American Accounting Association has been defined that accounting is the process of identifying. Process of identifying means what here? The monetary value of the transactions is going to be identifying and measuring. So how much value of the transactions has been arrived and communicating with the users who are actually the required of the particular persons. They are going to be required. So economic information. Economic in the sense what here? The economic activity. So the money earning process of the activity which will be involved and which is going to be permitting in the sense what here? Here what will be? It is going to be providing the information for the users. The information will be provided for the users for providing the better judgments. So in the form of an information. The definition has been given by whom here? That the American Accounting Association for the accounts here. So these are the different number of definitions will be given for the accounting here. These are the different number of definitions will be given for the accounts.